Yellow Gentian, also known as Yellow Trumpet Gentian or E Gentiana lutea, is a perennial herb that is native to Europe and Asia. To grow and care for the plant. Plant Yellow Gentian in well-draining soil in a location that receives full sun to partial shade. Water the plant regularly, but do not overwater as this can cause root rot. Apply a slow-release fertilizer in the spring. Yellow Gentian is a slow grower, so be patient and don't over-fertilize. Cut back the leaves in the fall to promote healthy growth in the spring. Yellow Gentian is hardy in USDA zones 3 to 8, so it can survive the winter in most areas. The plant will bloom in late summer to early fall, with yellow trumpet-shaped flowers. The plant is resistant to pests and diseases, so it does not require much care. Propagation can be done by dividing the root clumps in the spring or by seed. This plant is also used for medicinal purposes, and it is important to note that all parts of the plant are poisonous if ingested.